Thank you for taking the time to check out this short video on the Applied History course at West Springfield High School, which is a unique, one-of-a-kind course only offered at West Springfield High School and offers students very unique opportunities. First semester is non-curricular, meaning we do not study specific history topics per se, but rather look at how history is done in museums, archives, monuments, and public facilities. Second semester is not in class. Second semester is the gem of the course where students are involved with internships, both on-site or virtual, through local organizations, museums, monuments, all the aforementioned groups. We have had students in the past, as we have here with testimonials, who've gone on to careers because of their applied history experience. However, in general, what the course encourages is historical thinking, or rather thinking like a historian in whatever major or occupation you are involved with. Please note that Applied History is a selective course. Contact the email you see on screen if you have questions or wish to request an application.